Hi, I'm Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Snowplow. Today we're doing an install of an all-new cold front technology wiring system on a 2024 Ram 3/4 ton. The installation procedure is similar on all Ram trucks with the Upfitter wiring system. Follow along as we demonstrate a step-by-step procedure of a cold front wiring system install using just a few simple tools: a wire crimper, a couple of wrenches for tightening some battery connections, and a drill for drilling a hole through the firewall. For more comprehensive installation, including spreader wiring, visit our YouTube channel. This video is specifically focused on Ram trucks. Step 1. Locate a suitable access point in the firewall to pass connectors through. On current Ram trucks, there's a blocker plate where a clutch pedal would go. Either drill out the blocker plate with a 1 1/8 inch drill bit, or remove the plate, but make sure to plug up the bolt holes. Step 2. Pass the two CAN connectors from the in-cab harness from the inside of the vehicle through our access point in the firewall out into the engine compartment. Step 3. Locate your signal tap location. On the Ram trucks with the Upfitter wires can be found underneath the power distribution center behind the driver's side headlight. We'll also tap into a fuse inside the fuse box for a keyed ignition source. Tie the pink signal harness wire to the brown-violet Upfitter wire. Tie the violet signal harness wire to the white-violet Upfitter wire. Step 4. Determine our high beam tap location. On this truck, we'll tie our white high beam wire into the black light blue Upfitter wire. Step 5. Route the plow wiring harness into the engine bay. Opposite a 13-pin installation, start at the front of the vehicle, pass the wiring through and route it up into the engine bay, keeping it away from any hot or moving parts as you route it towards the primary battery. Step 6. Tie the black feedback wire from the plow harness to the black-violet Upfitter wire. Step 7. Locate a key switch power fuse inside the fuse box. On this truck, we're using fuse F95. Connect the black wire with the red stripe from the signal harness to this fuse. Route the plug end of the signal harness to the firewall and pass it through our access hole. Step 8. Install the cab power harness. Route the plug end from the battery towards the firewall and pass it through the access hole. Step 9. Make the in-cab connections. Each connector that was passed through the firewall will have a tag on it. Match the tag to the corresponding pigtail on the in-cab harness. Now is also a good time to plug in the plow controller. Step 10. Make your battery connections for both the plow harness and the in-cab power harness. Connect the positive wires from the harnesses to the positive post on the battery. Connect the ground wires from each harness to the negative post of the battery. Step 11. Plug the CAN connector from the plow harness into either of the CAN connectors on the in-cab harness. Step 12. Using zip ties, Clean up the wiring for a nice, clean install. Keep all the wiring away from any hot or moving parts. Finally, start the vehicle and make sure that the controller lights up. We hope you found this video helpful. For more OEM-specific wiring installations or additional content, please visit our YouTube channel or the Boss Tech support pages. And as always, Boss is here to back you up.